Hello, hello, hello. It is December 18th, 2022. As you can see, we got a lot of snow today. 12 and a half inches, 13 inches of snow. Here's some more snow. Some snow on the roof here. There's how deep my footprints are. Here's something a little bit more in depth. You can actually see some of the snow in here, but it's a little bit more of a heavy snow here. We had the winter weather advisory Friday, Saturday, and it was supposed to get done at 7 a.m. but last night they extended it till 11 a.m. Today. But it's a little bit deeper today and whatnot. Now my dad plowed it out before, but you could actually see the thickness here. I volunteered, but he didn't want me to. But there he is, everybody. But anyway, this is recorded December 18th, 2022. Some deer tracks before they get covered up. But there's the snow. But I'm going to head back in. I am Kara Knopf, your host. Temperature's been holding at 28. Feels like it's 16 degrees Fahrenheit. But I am Kara Knopf, and I will see everybody next time. Bye.